This meditation has been created to help you rapidly attract your dream relationship and attract love and marriage fast. My meditations have been reported to give you results instantly, so do not listen to this if you are not looking for commitment. I have also helped people like Walter get commitment through my love spells and manifestations. So if you need more powerful help, you can click the link below or head to joybyjanell.com. This meditation will help you manifest a happy and successful marriage with the blessings of both you and your partner's family. You will manifest a marriage filled with joy, laughter, and self-love. And if necessary, it will convince parents easily for a love marriage. Listen to this daily for 21 days to reprogram your mind and manifest the marriage of your dreams. Now let's begin. I am the luckiest person in love. I am happily married to the love of my life. I have now met my soulmate life partner. All my needs are met and fulfilled before I even ask. I am now married to the love of my life. I am living a real-life fairy tale marriage. My spouse is everything I have ever dreamt of and more. They exceed all my expectations. I am so happily in love. I now allow myself to fully embrace the joy and fulfillment of being married to the love of my life. I see myself as completely aligned with the love, passion, and connection my marriage brings. I now allow myself to experience a marriage filled with mutual respect, understanding, and unwavering commitment. I am open to receiving endless love and adoration from my spouse, and I give it freely in return. I see myself as a devoted and cherished partner, thriving in a marriage that supports my highest happiness. I now allow myself to feel gratitude daily for the love and compassion we share. I am happily married to the love of my life, and every moment we spend together strengthens our bond. I see myself as a radiant example of a blissful and fulfilling marriage, inspiring others with our love story. I am deeply in love with my spouse, and our relationship is a constant source of joy and support. Everyone is congratulating us on how lucky we are to have found each other. I release all resistance towards getting married to the love of my life. I release all subconscious blocks and fears towards getting married. It all happens so fast, and I embrace it with joy and gratitude. I see myself as someone who is incredibly lucky in love. I am living a real-life fairy tale marriage filled with love and happiness. I am the luckiest person in love, and my heart overflows with gratitude. I am happily married to the love of my life, and our connection deepens every day. I am so happily in love, feeling fulfilled and cherished every single day. All positive results from this meditation are permanent. And so it is. Type a ring to affirm this meditation. Repeat this meditation every day or as you need it, and enjoy the positive changes that it brings to your relationship. And if you would like help making them marry you even faster, I can help you. All you have to do is head to joybyjanelle.com and I can help you manifest whatever you would like, just like thousands of my other clients. If you want more videos like this one, make sure you hit the like and subscribe button. I hope you have a day full of love and joy, and I will see you in the next meditation.